Alright guys, I have noises. Brand new board. Let's see if you guys can hear it while I'm riding.